What is up, YouTube? This is Jolo2TV, back again with another video. Happy Wednesday, and I hope everybody's out there either making money or going to school or doing both. Shout out to the teachers. No clue what I'm gonna do today. Probably just gonna go get a haircut, go chill with Bree maybe. Let's see what I can get into today. It's Wednesday, what can happen? You gotta say please.
Can you just open the door?
Please.
No!
I'm so angry.
Oh, why do you have the camera to my face? I'm not coming in the car. Oh, okay. You need to stop.
So you're taking me out to lunch today?
I am.
You know I'm broke too. You're an MVP.
Whatever.
She gonna take me out to lunch, guys. I'm gonna order everything.
Stop filming.
Oh my gosh!
Did you break it?
I think so. Oh, let's get a car. One of these cool ones. You gonna push me in it?
No, I'm not. Wow, this is so embarrassing.
This is how I learned how to drive. Was in the car. True story. Okay, let's get us some food. Thanks, Mom.
I hate you.
Thank you.
Raspberry tea, sweetened tea.
19. Back in the day, they used to be 89 cents. What happened to, you know, the 20 cents inflation? You know what? Is that all we need? Why don't you cheer up? We're trying to gain more subscribers. Now it's time to get a little bit more international for my international viewers. You ready to get fresquito?
Wow, tan fresco que eres, huh?
Brianna, steal the money. Steal the money. You could pay for my college. Just steal it real quick. I seen it in the GTA. It's not impossible.
Stop.
She told me to try her jalapeno chips because I don't have a diverse selection of food tastes. Oh God, that was bad. It was good, Bree. We're heading out to somewhere. Thank you, Brianna, for picking me up something to eat.
Whatever.
Okay. It's time to go get a haircut, but it's kind of raining and stuff. But the vlog must go on, you know? Alright, let's go.
Wait, did you unlock it?
I did.
Go, go, go.
Slow. Slow but steady. Slow but steady.
Go, go.
Go, 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 go! From the transition to go hanging out with Brianna to now, I kind of like fell asleep in between. So, you know, if it's kind of short in between, that's why I was tired.
I need my
I'm gonna get like him one day. Well, we've been in the barbershop for about 2 hours. I don't know if you guys can see me or not. We're kind of dark, but we got a haircut and everything. That junk was funny. My tape is probably all messed up because I was laughing so hard in there. How do I look? How do I look? How do I look? How do I look? All right, I'm gonna finish the video when I get home and all right, YouTube, I think that's where I'm gonna end the video. A pretty productive day. Went to work, had a picnic with Brianna, and got a haircut. I'm pretty tired. I got homework to take care of. So please like, subscribe, and comment on the video. And please be sure to share the video also. Everybody stay positive through all those negative times. Jolo2TV, out.